Hi, I'm Bill Fontaine with Festo. I focus on all of our electric products, so I'll get into a little bit about what we have and what we're showing at the show today. Let's start with our low-cost actuators. These are our ELGSs. We have a belt-driven actuator, a ball screw-driven actuator, as well as a short-stroke actuator here. These we make in bulk, so they're not made to order. We keep a lot of these on the shelf, so we have quick delivery out of Mason, Ohio for these. We use some of these actuators for our simplified motion series product. So this product is meant to replace pneumatics, and it's meant to do two positions. In this example, if you have a 200 millimeter stroke and you want to make it a 150, you can program in so it goes back and forth from 0 to 150. Just give it a 24 volt signal to extend and a 24 volt signal to retract, and it'll give you those two positions. If you use IO Link, you can get a third position out of it. You can also control its velocity, going in and going out, and you can do pressing applications controlling the force. You would use this to replace pneumatics if you don't have access to good air, or depending on the industry, some industries typically don't use air for their machines and only use electronics. Move on to our EXCM. So this is an H gantry. This uses one belt to drive both the X and the Y axis. In this example, it's showing like a micro well plate, where you might do liquid dispensing, but you can use it for a whole lot of things. The way this works with one belt, you have two stepper motors that are controlling the belt movement, and it works kind of like an Etch-a-Sketch to get a position. So about 50 micron repeatable accuracy in this, used in some of the electric and light assembly applications, as well as some lab automation applications. But we also get into some larger, heavier duty products. EGC product is our staple actuator. It's been around for a while. We have a belt-driven version and a ball screw version. This is a 50 millimeter wide, so this is our EGC 50, but we go up to a 220, so we get pretty large. We can do everything from light assembly to big engine blocks. This is the HD heavy-duty version of it with two rails, uses recirculating ball bearings on it. So we've got two rails to be able to handle heavier moment loading. Other actuators here, so like mini slides, some higher precision ball screw driven actuators. And we do have IO products as well. This is our CPX API remote IO product. This is your field bus node, and you can connect up to 79 modules like this onto that one node. So these come in different flavors, M12 and M8 for digital IO, analog IO, and an IO Link master. Most importantly, we can connect up to a couple different series of our valve manifolds. So we can theoretically have 79 of these, 79 valve manifolds connected to one field bus node. Festo's making our own servos. So this is our EMMT series. This is an IP65 product. The electrical connection's IP65. You can get a seal that will also make it IP65 at the shaft. And we have this in various sizes. We also make our drives to drive those servo motors. So these are our CMMT AS servo drives that we have in various sizes, and our CMMT ST is our stepper drive. It's 24 volts, 48 volts. We call it extra low voltage servo drive. It has encoder feedback that it can handle as well. So that's our products at the show in a nutshell.